Alright, hey. Hey.
Hey!
Okay, but we're about to present our project. Send me your dreams first.
Okay, who has a project?
I thought Jessica had it. No, I told Jewel to get it because my organic fell on the counter and my computer died right after I sent it to her.
I don't have it because I had work yesterday from 5 to close.
Isn't Chick-fil-A closed on Sundays?
Right, but I mean, I still sent it to Alicia.
David? Alicia, do you have a project? Alicia?
I'll do an 80-20.
Alicia!
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, found them, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, found them, wait and see.
Welcome, welcome. How's everyone this lovely morning? Welcome to the Bird's Eye View, where we talk about the latest news and short stories that our teacher gives us.
I could be watching the Kylie Jenner Snapchat right now. Well, today we're going to be talking about A Jury of Her Peers by Susan Glaspell.
Wait, we were supposed to read?
Yes. Mainly we're going to be discussing the events in the story and discussing whether Minnie Wright Foster is innocent or not.
Today we'll begin our story in the early 1900s, probably in the Midwest, with Martha Hale leaving her home to gather her personal belongings of Minnie Foster with Lewis Hale, Sheriff Peters, Mr. Peters, and George Henderson.
Minnie Wright, formerly known as Minnie Foster, used to sing in the choir 20 years ago, has been accused of killing her husband, John Wright, known as Mr. Wright, was found lying in his bed with a rope around his neck.
Minnie Foster Wright has no recollection about the sudden death of her husband. She tells Mr. Hill, a witness, that she was on the inside and sleeping soundly.
There was a lot of evidence found at the crime scene used against Mrs. Wright in the fatal murder case. Even with a lot of evidence, there is proof that she can still be innocent.
And now that we've recapped the story, we're all going to say what we think about Minnie Foster Wright. Is she guilty of her sins or innocent of her mistakes?
I believe she's guilty.
We agree with that notion.
Well, I'm going to have to disagree. I think she's innocent.
I agree with Malia.
Where are you going with that bag?
Why are you taking
That breath. Okay then. We believe she is guilty because she seems to be nervous when she was telling Mr. Hale about her husband's sudden death.
After 20 years of isolation and Mr. Wright killing her only companion, that canary, the singing canary, she could have been plotting to kill him this whole entire time.
But she could be innocent due to the mess in the kitchen. There was spilled sugar, not cleaned off the table, and her quilt went from like really neat to really erratic.
She must have had a psychotic breakdown from Mr. Wright, secluding her from the rest of the town and his abusive nature towards her.
That's totally insane, right, Alicia? Alicia?
Alicia! Alicia!
Where's our project?
Oh my gosh, you're gonna have this great idea. Let me tell you. Class is over, Alicia.
Yeah, we're done here. So, leave. Be ready next time.
My bad.
I woke up like this.
Panda, 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 panda. I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up lean and shit, sipping fountain. Credit cards in the scammers, wake up beside your shit, like designer.